Alright, so we're back. In this video, what we're going to do is talk about keeping the traffic within Facebook. There are a couple of ways of doing that, of keeping the traffic within Facebook. There's actually a very good reason for doing this. Even though Facebook doesn't actually tell you that it's better to keep the traffic within Facebook, we actually noticed that it is. Now, whenever we keep the traffic within Facebook, when driving traffic to a squeeze page that's on Facebook, the clicks we get are a lot cheaper. We can never get as cheap as we would with this Facebook-based squeeze page. If we target a squeeze page outside in some other website of ours, we never get clicks as cheap as we would on that Facebook squeeze page. There's a difference, and that's why it's always better to keep the traffic within Facebook. Besides, it's so easy to just remove your squeeze page and just implement it into a Facebook tab. That was discussed in one of the other videos, how you can do that with short stack. There's really no reason why you shouldn't do this. I mean, you can test this yourself if you don't believe us. You'll notice that clicks are going to be cheaper if you keep the traffic within Facebook. That's pretty much what I wanted to show you in this video. I also would like to show you this other option. You can promote page post. We're going to take a look at this later, but this is also something that you can do. You can choose one of your proofs, something that you posted earlier, and I think you can just promote that. If you pick this up, and we can run this out, we can also create a new page post. This is basically just creating a new page post on your fan page. It doesn't matter if you created it here or if you go back to your fan page and then write a post over there. It's the same. So you pick your ad and then you advertise one of your Facebook posts. This is also something you could do, and we're going to talk about this later on as well. We've also got sponsor stories over here, and again, your audience. When it comes to sponsor stories, you can show stories about people liking your posts. You can show stories about people commenting on your page and people sharing your page. You can also just select some of these, but I usually just keep them on. Just keep them checked because there's nothing wrong with having these checked. Next, we've got See Advanced Options over here. As already explained, you can get things like Casper clicked and stuff like that. But what we really want to use when it comes to advanced options is the landing view. We want to select one of these tabs. We want to select New Tab 2 or New Tab 3, which are the tabs we created in the squeeze pages inside Facebook. What you want to do is make sure you rename this. Just rename it. It shouldn't be just New Tab 2. Just give it a name. We can also upload another image. I do recommend uploading some other images. There's a video in this module where you're going to see how to create your ad picture, your ad image. Actually, that video is going to be right after this one. So make sure you watch that to learn how you can create different variations of your ad image. You've got the same options over here. Again, people liking your posts, liking any of your page posts, commenting, and again, custom audiences and targeting. That's pretty much how you keep the traffic within Facebook. I hope you know what I'm talking about when I mention this landing view. In case you don't, I think I'm just going to go back to my fan page, and I'm just going to show you the tab that I'm talking about. Here, these tabs. If you watch Module 1, all the videos in Module 1, I'm pretty sure you know what these tabs are all about. I just opened tab 2, and this is the tab we created for that training, weight loss training project. Then, if we go back, we can actually just select it from this drop down, New Tab 3. This is the other one that we created with the help of Short Stack. So we added a video and this headline over here. This really doesn't make sense. That's not how you can make a squeeze page. I just want to show you really quick how to use Short Stack. So I just picked a couple of images and videos that I first saw on my computer and on YouTube. There would be a couple of bullet points and sign up form. We also added a counter over here. We also have another one called Celebrity Weight Loss. If we open that one, this isn't actually an iframe. I just picked up this squeeze page from the link from our HTML page. This is actually a WordPress-based squeeze page. We just picked up that page, and we didn't create it inside Facebook or with ShortStack. It's just HTML page that's on our website. Again, if you don't know what I'm talking about, you need to go back to Module 1. You need to watch the videos about creating a Facebook squeeze page with ShortStack and Hybrid Connect, and also creating a Facebook squeeze page with ShortStack alone. You need to go back and watch those. If you do go back and watch it, I'm sure you're going to understand what I'm talking about, and everything's going to make sense. For this video, I think that's about it. I just want to make sure you understand why it's important to keep the traffic within Facebook. Just in case you're wondering, even though this is our HTML page, this concerns keep the traffic within Facebook because it's on our fan page. So we're just using an iframe to show our HTML page. Yeah, this is considered keeping the traffic within Facebook. We're not going outside of Facebook and transferring our traffic elsewhere. Now, transferring traffic outside of Facebook doesn't mean it's not going to work. I mean, it definitely can work. And if you have a good reason for doing that, then you should definitely give that a try. It doesn't mean you're going to end up paying a couple of dollars for one click. It just means that in our experience, we got better results if we just kept the traffic within Facebook. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.